Welcome to the Voice of America's Newswords.
In July, the first case of Ebola virus was discovered in the city of Goma, in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Game changer.
Goma is a major transportation center with more than 2 million people. The World Health Organization says it could be a game changer in efforts to stop the deadly virus, which must be large and immediate.
In this example, a game changer is something new that changes a situation or activity in a major way.
It is also something or someone that affects the result of a game.
Go to our website for more newswords. learningenglish.voanews.com.